When it comes to improving your home's comfort, lowering utility bills, and enhancing year-round performance, choosing the right windows makes all the difference. Verde Group, a trusted provider of high-quality home improvement solutions, offers a wide range of energy-efficient window options designed to help homeowners create healthier, more comfortable, and more efficient living spaces. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading outdated windows, Verde Group delivers modern, eco-friendly solutions that combine advanced technology with beautiful design. Here's a closer look at the energy-efficient window options available through Verde Group, and how they benefit today's homeowners. Double and triple pane windows for superior insulation. One of the most effective ways to boost energy efficiency is by upgrading to multi-pane windows. Verde Group offers both double pane and triple pane options, each providing layers of insulation that help regulate indoor temperatures. How they help: reduce heat loss during winter, minimize heat gain during summer, keep indoor temperatures stable and comfortable, lower heating and cooling costs. Triple pane windows offer the highest insulation value and are ideal for homeowners looking for premium performance, especially in areas with extreme temperatures. Low E glass coatings to block heat and UV rays. Low E, low emissivity glass is one of the most advanced features available in Verde Group's window selection. This invisible, ultra-thin coating reflects heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. Benefits include reduced indoor heat on sunny days, less fading on furniture, flooring, and fabrics, lower air conditioning usage, improved indoor comfort throughout the year. Low E coatings make your home brighter without the added heat, making them ideal for energy-conscious homeowners. Argon and krypton gas-filled windows for enhanced efficiency. Between the panes of high-performance windows, insulating gases such as argon or krypton are used to reduce heat transfer. Verde Group incorporates these gas fills into many of their energy-efficient options. Why these gases matter: argon is cost-effective and provides excellent insulation. Krypton offers higher density and even greater performance. Both help keep your home comfortable in all seasons. Reduce condensation buildup between panes. These gases enhance multi-pane windows by increasing thermal efficiency and improving long-term durability. Insulated vinyl and fiberglass frames for long-term durability. Window frames are just as important as the glass when it comes to energy efficiency. Verde Group offers vinyl and fiberglass frames, both known for their superior insulation and durability. Vinyl frames. Affordable and low-maintenance, naturally insulating, resistant to moisture, rot, and warping. Fiberglass frames. Stronger and more stable in extreme temperatures, highly energy efficient, designed for long-term performance. Both frame options ensure your windows remain secure and efficient for years to come. Warm edge spacer technology to reduce heat transfer. Spacers separate the panes of insulated glass, and Verde Group uses warm edge spacer systems to deliver better performance than traditional aluminum spacers. Warm edge spacers help reduce condensation around window edges, improve energy efficiency, maintain stable indoor temperatures, extend the life of your window seals. This advanced technology adds another layer of insulation and moisture control. Custom window styles designed for efficiency. Verde Group provides energy-efficient solutions in a variety of window styles, including casement windows that seal tightly when closed, awning windows that provide ventilation without losing efficiency, picture windows with expansive, insulated glass slider, and double-hung windows built with high-performance materials. Each style is available with energy-saving upgrades to match your home's needs and architectural design. Professional installation for maximum performance. Even the most advanced window won't perform properly without expert installation. Verde Group's trained installers ensure airtight sealing, proper fit within the frame, correct insulation around the window, long-term energy savings. This precision installation protects your investment and ensures the windows deliver their full efficiency benefits. A smarter, more efficient home starts with Verde Group. From insulated glass to advanced coatings and durable frames, the energy-efficient window options available through Verde Group help homeowners enjoy improved comfort, lower utility bills, and long-lasting performance. Whether you're looking to upgrade one room or your entire home, Verde Group offers modern, reliable, and beautifully designed solutions that make your home more efficient in every season. If you're ready to invest in a more comfortable and energy-conscious home, Verde Group has the perfect window options to meet your needs.